to the side, we have extra air containers, air bottles. We'll have 6. Back compartment. We have our different chainsaws. We have a toolkit. We have our hydrant bag. And we just have a plain utility rope. Coming to the back, we have a thing called a porta tank. So that's pretty much just a big swimming pool. We'll fill it up, and it's for phase 3 water supply. We have pipe poles, different tools in the back as well. Down below, we have our cribbing. So whenever we're on scene at the car accident, we have to stabilize the vehicle. We use our wood blocks for the cribbing. This right here is called a dump chute. So it's on all tankers. So whenever we do roll water, we use this to bring all the water out of the truck into our porta tanks. Compartment, we have all the ladders. A thing called a holly tube up top. It's for roll water and more hard suction. We keep going around. We have our auto rectification tools. We have the cutters, spreaders, ram. We have manual spreaders, as well as our hydraulic power plant. We have our wheel chocks.
Okay.
We have 3 more bottles. This compartment right here, high-rise pack. We have our safety rope. We have a thing called a blitz fire nozzle, so it's an unmanned nozzle. Tarps, scene lights, and other small tools. And down below, we have our PPV fan, we have tarps, and we have our generator. So that generator powers our PPV fan, as well as our scene lights on top.
All right. Cool.